morning, everybody, or good afternoon, or good night. Whenever you're watching this video, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Fred, egkcoupe. Today's video, we'll be cleaning, prepping, painting the GSR motor that I have and loading it up with SKUNK 2 parts. I recently got sponsored by SKUNK 2. Blessed. So I do have a discount code for you boys and girls. But let's unbox some of this stuff right now. Let's see what we got going on. So we're going to try to put all these parts from SKUNK 2 on this motor once I get it all cleaned up and painted in this, that, and the third. If you guys are interested in any of these parts or any parts that SKUNK 2 offer, use my code. I'll leave it down below or I'll place it on the screen. But you save 15% on all of this stuff, anything that SKUNK 2 offer. You guys looking for DOWNSTAR parts, I have a code for that too. I'll leave it in the description or I'll leave it on the video. Yeah, that's that drip. But make sure if you guys are looking for any DOWNSTAR hardware to use code, I'll leave it on the screen or in the description down below. Save you some money on that. But yeah, that's that drip. So the whole theme of this motor is going to be black and red. You know what I mean? So logo. Alright, so it is the next day. It kind of got too hot for me to actually start working on the motor. So stop by your local auto parts store, got some sanding dishes, some razor blade scrapers, a little sandpaper for the hard to reach spots, whole lot of brake cleaner, some high temperature primer, cast iron aluminum paint, spray bottle to pour the degreaser into. Gonna start prepping the block, getting it masked off, hitting it with the degreaser and the pressure washer, get it all cleaned up. Yeah, my bad, I didn't record everything I did. You guys gotta understand, sometimes like recording makes shit take a lot longer. I ain't even gonna lie to y'all, bro. So I just said, forget it, I'm just gonna do it. But I spent most of my time taking off this paper gasket, bro. Like, y'all know on a 20-year-old motor, that shit just get baked on and won't come off. And I've been making it soak with some degreaser. I'm gonna hit it with the pressure washer now. You see most of the stuff is already falling off. This is what I use. First time actually using it, bro. It's not even that bad, bro. It's super clean from AutoZone. That shit's great. You know what I mean? just gotta make sure you put some paper inside the intake and the exhaust. Some people do it different. This way I've been doing it, and I ain't never blow up a motor after painting it. You feel what I'm saying? So I stick with the evil that I know, and this way I've been doing it, and shit working every time for me. All right, so as you can tell, the motor is pressure wash and clean. Those are just stains that I'm gonna like get with the little sanding wheel. But for the most part, it's all clean. And as you can tell, like these are dry. You know what I mean? I know everybody say, "Oh, you shouldn't have put paper in it," and that. Bruh, I've been doing this shit for years. I ain't never had a problem. All that shit's dry. Look at that, dry. Look at that, dry. It ain't like you gonna take the hose and aim that shit dead in there. You know what I mean? You just, I don't know. Everybody different still. But this is the way I do it. You ain't gotta do it my way. You can do it your way. You hear me? But time for me to prep it and prime it. All right, well that's it. Motor is painted. Just gonna let that dry for a little bit. I might hit it with a satin clear. I'm not sure, but he does want it to be shiny. So I get, yeah, I might as well hit it with the clear. Get that gloss look to it. I don't know if you guys can see the clear. Yeah, I think you can see like the gloss on there. It came out real good though. Simple little rattle can spray paint. You ain't gotta do nothing crazy to get it right. I mean, just easy spray paint. 1, 2, 3. Well, after degreasing this gearbox, I just found out that it is a LSD. It had a piece of the axle in there, and I popped it out. And bruh, it's a JDM GSR gearbox, yo. Now, that's rare, bro. You don't run across a JDM LSD gearbox like that. But unfortunately, I would love to keep it this OEM color, but he wants it to be painted. So much for all of the markings and stuff. Only way to tell now is to open it up. If you guys are interested, I have a brand new Kpro version 4 Bluetooth in a PRB 0204 Type S ECU in the box. Right now on my Instagram for raffle, 25 a spot. First place, second place, and third place. Make sure you guys check it out if you're interested. I'll leave my Instagram link down below. Show you guys that it is the Bluetooth version. Right there, Kpro V4 in a PRB. Let's plug it up to the car. All right, so I have it all plugged up. Turn the car on. ECU connected. We'll go ahead and crank it up. Click on the little lightning bolt. No IAC. But yeah, as you can see, ECU is in perfect working condition. If you guys are interested in entering the raffle, just head over to my Instagram. All of the information will be there. There's a first place, a second place, and a third place, so nobody feel left out. The Bluetooth works, everything A1. Like I said, I'll leave my Instagram down below. You guys can check it out if you want to enter. All right, so the gearbox is all pressure washed and degreased. I'm gonna let it sit in the sun to dry it all up. I'm probably gonna paint it next video and then install the DOWNSTAR hardware. I'll probably make that the whole video, just installing hardware. Let everybody know which bolt goes where, this, that, and the third. But else from that, just gonna hit it with the wheel a little bit, wipe off any more grease, and that's it. Now for the motor, I have a Mugen valve cover that is forwarding through the mail. Should be here this week. But else from that, the block is already done. Just gotta get the gasket for the exhaust manifold, gasket for the intake manifold, and that's it. I already got the injectors in there, the fuel rail, throttle body, all that's on there. I'm going to dress it all up with some nice DOWNSTAR drip. This whole box is DOWNSTAR drip. Make sure you guys use that code. I'll leave it down below again. These are the mounts. Our brand new half sports. There go the action clutch. I got a code for that too. I'll leave all that stuff down below. Bruh, this video has been going on for like 2.5 weeks, man. I'm gonna finish up next week, bruh. So I'm gonna end it now because I don't want the video to get too long. So make sure you guys like and subscribe, and I appreciate everybody who come there and watch the video. Guidance, manners, and respect. Good night.